Hello, Dr. Sko. I am Prudhi from Team 14 and I am going to continue the presentation. Coming to the state transition diagram of HR management systems. State transition diagram is a graphical representation of a system's behavior. It is used to describe the different states a system can be in and the transition between those systems. And to enter into a system, first we need credentials, and after entering the valid credentials, we can access the home tab of the human resource management. From there, uh, from the home tab, there are several functions such as targets, time cards, employee onboarding, resources, teams, HR management, and each are further divided into sub-functions. And the human resource management home tab also consists of logout, and from which we can sign out from the human resource system. And this is the state transition diagram screenshot. Coming to the architecture model, data-centered GUI. Data-centered GUI, it is the relation between HR management systems and different modules which are connected to it and to the database. The different modules are employee management module, performance management module, attendance management module, HR administration module, resource allocation module, interview management, client module, and so on until the product module. And this is the architecture model data center GUI using Visio tool. Coming to the system hierarchical model for human resource management. Hierarchical model. It represents data in a tree-like structure. In this model, data is organized into levels of parent-child relationship. The human resource management system is divided into different systems like HR, analytical, and reporting systems, component and risk management, work, work onboarding and recruitment, learning management system, rewards and management, which are further divided into sub-functions. And this is the screenshot of hierarchical model for HR management system using Visio tool. Coming to the hierarchical design of components and attributes model. The graphic user interface of HR management is connected to the different components, and the attributes are given below for the each component. There are components such as navigation menu, table, charts, button, drop down tabs, and respective attributes are mentioned in the below below of the components. And this is the screenshot of graphical user interface for our human resource management in a using SmartDraw. And the hierarchical design using functional model. First, using valid credentials, you can log in into the human resource management home tab. From there, you can access subfunctions such as products, industries, learn, resources, company, solution, which consists of subfunctions such as human resource, talent management, workforce, payroll, analytics. This is basically the how the graph user interface looks like when we build a system. This is the screenshot. And coming to the project estimation based on lines of code. The estimated lines of code for our human resource management system is around 4,03,000. Average cost per each line of code is around $3, and it is gonna take around 44 million and $33,000 for each for making our system. Average development cost per month is around $1,100. So the total estimated project effort is around $44 million, which is divided by $1,100 is equal to 366 months person months or 32 years. And project estimation or lines of code is represented in a table which consists of system functions, programming language, and estimated lines of code for each of the system functions and the programming language used for each of the system functions. Coming to the next slide, and function point count based project estimation, which consists of system function and optimality, most likely, or pessimistic estimate of count, weight, and functional point count. So this is the total functional point count of our project, and these are our references for our human resource management projects. Thank you. This is the end of the presentation.